we are going to make my favorite chamomile tea. This is the chamomile tea that you need to make in case you want to also drink the same brand of chamomile tea that I do. It's from Organic India. It has tulsi, honey and chamomile. It's a green tea, but chamomile is the flower that is a main ingredient here. It's actually called chamomile tea because of the flower ingredient, and it's very helpful to drink it right before you go to sleep because apparently it helps you sleep. All you need is a chai ka bartan and a little bit of water. It depends on how much quantity you are making. I'm going to make it for myself and for my parents. I mean, my mother has said yes. I don't know about my father. So I'm just going to put enough water in this and we'll make tea with only one bag because it's pretty expensive. It's 25 bags for about 150 bucks. So I don't like to waste tea. So yeah, I'm just going to use one bag and let me show you how. Hi guys, so this is how I make tea of about 2 or 3 people with one tea bag. It's actually not very, it's not a rocket science. I think we waste a lot of tea from a tea bag if you use it individually for 1 cup. So I directly put it in the vessel. So this vessel already has some hot water. So all I'm going to do is dip this tea bag here and see. This way what happens is the consistency also is the same. And I don't prefer like a stronger or weaker tea than my mother or my father. So we all can drink pretty much at the same strength and that's fine. So that's how it works. In case you and your family members require weaker or stronger tea, then this might not work. But I feel like, this gives it such a good texture and color and without any wastage. I mean, I still can use this tea bag for maybe another pot. We waste a lot of tea when we do the tea bag system. So it's good to have it in the pot itself. Look at it. It's beautiful golden color and it tastes also really nice. It actually calms you down. So yeah, the tea is ready. Now I'm going to serve it. Hi guys, so the chamomile tea that I'm going to drink right before the bed is ready. I think it's about 2 cups. I have these 2 special cups from Trio that I use for tea specifically. We don't use it for anything else but for chamomile tea. Wait, I'll just put this aside. Yep. Let's just pour it here. It's very difficult to film and pour. Anything that goes wrong here is the responsibility of YouTube, as it has already gone wrong. My mother and I are going to just go and enjoy this wonderful delicious tea, and a lot of TV noises also coming around because it's after dinner time. So yeah, this is a golden tea. We don't waste anything. We make a pot of 2-3 cups with the same tea bag, and yeah, it's about 150 rupees for 25 tea bags, which is 6 rupees per bag. And if we make 2 or 3 cups out of it, every cup is around 2 rupees. And if you also add a little bit of the gas price, then maybe 4 rupees. Pretty affordable and I love it.